Hello everyone, it's me once again. My name is Esther Liu from Taiwan, and today I want to share to you in this video the view of Baoshan Reservoir, or in Chinese宝二水库, here in Hsinchu, Taiwan. And this reservoir of water is the one who supplies water in the big science base in Taiwan. There are lots of factories there, and the supply of water is from here. I wanna show you this place because I really appreciate this place. It's very clean, very peaceful, and no garbage around, and it's very green. So they really care about this place because this is very important in their lives. We need water every day, and especially in some factory, all of them need water. So we all need water. So this is the area. It's very big. So if we roam around in this area, it is 10 kilometers. So we drive 10 kilometers around in this area today. So we found a lot of birds, but we're not able to stop and take picture because the road is very small and it's very danger if some car coming and didn't see us. So we didn't able to picture the birds around, but maybe one day we go again and take picture of those birds. So this is a really nice place, and we really appreciate them to take care about this place. So that's all for today, and I hope you watch this video until the end. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching once again. And what can you say about this video? Please comment below. And also I just used my cell phone. I don't have camera yet, so a little bit blurry, not so good. But one day if I can buy camera, I will take more video. So that's the mountain here in Taiwan. We have lots of mountain, we have lots of trees, so I really appreciate it. So thank you for watching, and till next video, have a nice day to all. Love you. It's me, Esther from Taiwan. Bye. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye. Thank you.